Did you know that artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword? It's a powerful tool you can start using right now to simplify your life, boost creativity, and get more done. Today, I'm sharing the top 5 AI tools you can use today. No technical skills required. Let's dive right in. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Imagine having a personal assistant that can write emails, brainstorm ideas, or even help you learn something new. That's ChatGPT, an AI-powered chatbot designed to answer questions and generate content. Whether you're drafting a business proposal or writing a short story, ChatGPT is here to help. Just type in your request and let the magic happen. You can access it for free on OpenAI's website or upgrade to unlock even more features. Tool number 2, DALL-E. Next up, we have DALL-E, the AI that can turn words into stunning images. For example, type in a futuristic city floating on clouds, and DALL-E will generate an image that matches your description. It's perfect for artists, marketers, or anyone who needs unique visuals. You can try it out on platforms like OpenAI or Canva. Tool number 3, Grammarly. If you write emails, essays, or social media posts, Grammarly is your new best friend. This AI tool checks your spelling, grammar, and tone, making your writing clear and professional. It even suggests better word choices and helps you sound more confident. The free version is fantastic, but the premium version offers advanced insights. Tool number 4, Notion AI. For those who love organizing, Notion AI takes productivity to the next level. It can summarize long notes, create to-do lists, and even generate project outlines for you. Whether you're a student or a professional, Notion AI helps you stay on top of your tasks with minimal effort. Tool number 5, Canva AI. Last but not least, Canva AI. If you've ever wanted to create professional-looking graphics, this is the tool for you. With features like magic resize and AI-generated design suggestions, Canva AI helps you create stunning presentations, social media posts, and more in minutes. Even if you're not a designer, Canva AI makes it easy to produce eye-catching visuals. And there you have it, 5 incredible AI tools you can start using today. Let's recap. ChatGPT for writing and brainstorming. DALL-E for generating unique images. Grammarly for clear and polished writing. Notion AI for productivity and organization. Canva AI for professional-looking designs. What's your favorite AI tool? Or is there one you're excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on how to make the most of AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.